Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check your PC specifications on Windows 10. To do it, first you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select the System menu, then scroll all the way down to About section and open it. In this window you'll be able to find all of your device's specifications. And if you want to know more about your device's hardware, you can close this window, then right-click the taskbar, select Task Manager, then go to Performance section, and here, by switching the tabs in this window, you can see all the information about your device's hardware. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.